What is happening, my friends? This is Ron from OptimizeFX. Welcome to episode number 2 of the $1,000 Robot Challenge. Best versus the rest. I've got some awesome EAs that are actually trading quite well. However, hopefully this video is not a PowerPoint presentation for you all. I've actually had to close 4 EAs just in the hope that it records smoothly, and I'll open them back up at the end of the video to show you all what is happening. So yes, let's start with Precis. It has made a total of $136 since Monday, and it's only Tuesday night. So yeah, it's going really good. I'd be stoked to make $136 in, what is it, 36 hours, using $1,000. So yeah, that's awesome. We'll see how it goes though in the long run, because there's 13 open orders now, but this can have this EA can actually have a total of 200 open at once. And most brokers allow you to have only 200, so it'll be really interesting to see what happens when it does hit that limit and what it does. So yes, we'll see what happens. But yeah, so far so good. Time will tell, and we'll move on to Seventrade. This is version 2. Profit for today is $44. Yesterday $12, and total is $56. Yeah, it trades a lot less than Precis. I think there's like a max of 100 orders in the settings, and yeah, I'd be stoked with that as well. So that's really good. I've actually got I've added all these accounts to Myfxbook, and actually show a graphic to you at the end of this video. I'll leave the best to last. So I'll show you the graphic of all the EAs and all the percentages and all that kind of stuff for you all at the very end of this video. So just hold tight, and we'll get there soon. So this is the NoSleep EA, trading 1 pair, and is made $26.07, and it is currently has 1 open order at the moment to sell on Euro USD. And we'll see what happens with that one. And next we have EA Scalper Orion. It was weird at the start, so it wasn't really. It was opening and closing trades, but it wasn't taking any profits. Was it like a tiny little bit, like 3 or 4 cents losses, which I'll show you here. Some wins. So 0.06 negative profit losses, negative 0.28 because of I think the commissions, which is not shown there. Yes, so it's closed them at break even rather than not. So what I did was change the settings. So I've just done a quick optimization, and well, yeah, this is what I got. So just trailing stop, trailing stop, trailing start, take profit, and stop loss. And it is an ECN, so I'll just chuck that on. It is an ECN broker, but everything else is the same. So we'll see what happens there. It is currently placing buys as Euro USD is going down. So not sure. I'm actually not even sure on what time frame this is supposed to trade, so I don't know if it's a 15-minute time frame or the hour time frame. So if anyone knows, let me know, or if there's any better settings for EA Scalper Orion, just let me know, and I'll chuck them in and we'll go from there. But otherwise, it's only down $27, so that is nothing to be worried about at all. So we'll go on to Algo 2.0 Gold. You can see there it has taken some profits, which is awesome. So it's made $17.19, and it is currently got buys and sells happening all at once. So we're only down $4.09. Right now it is trading the hour time frame. The pip step is 10 pips, so there's 10 pips between each of these buys and sells. Yeah, but so far so good with Algo 2.0 Gold. Next we have the Dragon Expert, and it has made $45 so far, and we are at -8 in drawdown. So that is pretty awesome. You know, it's only been 36 hours since market open. It's Tuesday night here in Australia, so yeah, pretty stoked with that. And Euro USD is ranging up and down at the moment, so perfect for this kind of EA. So we'll move on to the next one, and the gold catcher. Now this one is the V1, so it only places buy trades, and currently gold. It has placed some profitable trades. It's made $23 USD, and it is currently in a -$7.50. As it is in buys, but gold is coming down. So we'll see what happens on a big move, like something like this, and comes back up. So I'd be really interested to see what happens on big gold moves, if it can handle it and what it does. So we'll wait till the middle of the week or next week. I'm sure there'll be some big moves soon. Gold is due to it is pretty much done a double top. We're kind of ranging at the moment. For the last couple of days, it's just been ranging between like 1760, 69, 1770 and 1774. Pretty much it's just been ranging. So yeah, quite interesting there with that. Let's open. We'll see what happens here. I'm sorry if the computer can't handle it, but we'll open one at a time, and hopefully the video doesn't get choppy. Next one we have is not gold catcher. I've already got that open. That's interesting. So I'll go this one. Hopefully the computer handles it. I had to close it because otherwise it comes up with an error saying it's overloaded. But we'll see. So Baby Shark has been trading bloody awesome. So we'll just quickly connect to the account here. Bingo, we are connected, and it has made $66.76, which is absolutely amazing. At the end of the week, actually, I'll print out all the statements for all these accounts because they are all fresh accounts, and we'll have a look at the drawdown figures and profits and profit factors and all the technical stuff for all you technical people that want to see things like that. So, and we'll do all that. So, but yes, Baby Shark has been trading pretty bloody good, I would say. Let's go to this one. Let it load up. I am a little bit unwell, so sorry if my voice isn't that great. We'll see what happens here in this next robot, which is taking a little bit to load. Okay, this is Eklatant, and it is connecting to the account. Again, I apologize if the video is lagging now. Just remember, it is running 11 terminals on a laptop with only a Core i5. So Eklatant has made $24.78, and we're down $17 at the moment. So not too shabby at all. Yeah, it's good. So you know, hasn't lost money. Which is what we want. We haven't lost money yet, but you know, it's early days. So I'll do open this last one, and yeah, this video is just going to be quite short. I'll chuck the little graphic on at the very end. I'll have a quick chat about that. A quick video. I'll record a quick video on it. Unfortunately, I'm not able to share it to the public without authorizing all the accounts. So that's a bit of a pain in the butt. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show show the website and show the figures there, and just in a quick little video and have a quick chat about the figures. But and then we have the money pile. So we should have, there's one more actually. There is one more. Don't know where it went, which is Miea 9. But whilst I'm trying to figure out where the hell it's gone, we look at Monopole, and it is made $34.87 based on 2 pairs, and we are down $3.09. So it is trading very well indeed. Alright, I'm sure the computer is struggling right now. I am very sure. So Miea 9, even though like this may work, I'll see what happens. Okay, so it's made $42, 43 actually. It's actually closed the orders as I had it closed. So it's made $43.64 overnight, pretty much, you know, in 36 hours. So that's really good stats as well. But now we'll move on to the Myfxbook stats, and I'll see you over there in a sec. So welcome to Myfxbook. Here we have all of the robots that I have put into the challenge. I've put them all into here, and as you can see, they are all doing quite well so far. We can see that all the deposits were $1,000. I have 11 trading right now, a total of 1,100, and they're pretty much all in profit except for the Orion, which I believe had the wrong settings at the start, but it is now trading, so we'll see what happens. But the most profit so far is Precis 2.0. It has made a profit of $136, and Seventrade 50, Miea 9 34, NoSleep 25, Orion we'll just say 0, Algo $17, Dragon 42, Gold Catcher 23, Baby Shark 66, Eklatant 23, Monopole 34. So we've had a total profit in 36 hours of $454.01 out of 11 robots. And this as a portfolio would be quite good, you know, if you had $11,000 so far. But you know, it's really too early to tell how they're going to go in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this update on the challenge version 3, and I'll see you in the next update video coming on later this week. Thank you. Bye bye.